quick update on Hurricane Irma, which is a very serious hurricane facing the United States. Could make landfall as a Category 4 or a Category 5 hurricane. It is that serious. Probably the most serious hurricane that Florida has faced since Hurricane Andrew. This is going to be stronger than Harvey. To put that in perspective, stronger than Harvey, wind speed wise at least. Storm surge inundation from the National Hurricane Center storm surge map is very noteworthy in the southwestern part of the Florida peninsula, where there are some major population areas. The red area is storm surge flooding expecting to exceed 9 feet. And that is enough to cause tremendous damage, and people in evacuation zones need to get out. There is no safe place that you can be when the storm surge comes in. And this is reflected in the National Weather Service warnings. They've issued hurricane warnings and storm surge warnings in the southern part of the Florida peninsula. Central part has hurricane watches. Those will probably at some point be upgraded to hurricane warnings. This is a very dangerous hurricane. And I want to know is how far inland the storm surge warnings in purple, how far inland they go. Miami, Everglades City, Naples, Fort Myers, these are areas that are in a serious amount of danger. It could be Category 5, could be packing some very strong winds, especially along the western Florida coast, especially southwestern when it's at its strongest. And this is GFS. I don't know if I trust this pressure reading, but the general consensus of the models recently has been to track the core of the hurricane near the western coast of the peninsula, so that could potentially increase the severity of impacts. I want that to be noted. And also there is a severe weather potential. Probably a few tornadoes will be impacting all of the Florida peninsula. Will have a threat for it. Will be impacting areas in Florida up to the coastal parts of Georgia and South Carolina. And the Florida Keys are another area that there will be no place in the Florida Keys that is safe. If in the Florida Keys there should be nobody there, it is going to be a very dangerous area where staying in any areas where evacuations are ordered is just, that is putting yourself in more danger. You're not. Finding the words to describe this is really difficult because this is a very dangerous, very serious storm. And I don't want to neglect rainfall totals. Rainfall totals of 6 to 10 inches, perhaps even higher, toward 15 inches down in far southern Florida. This is a really serious storm, and I'm going to continue watching, providing updates. If you are under a warning, preparations need to be finished. They need to be finished now, or if not now, as soon as possible. Sheltering should begin tomorrow, and Sunday is when the effects of the hurricane will be felt, will be at their worst, beginning to occur, especially in the Florida Keys and far southern Florida. So I wanted to make this video to show how serious this can be, because it is really something that I'm concerned with. Stay safe. Praying for Florida.